Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a best coloring for your night footage in CapCut Mobile. So first, just add your night footage to CapCut and then go to Filter menu and click on the Movies category. Then select the green orange filter. Swipe until you find the screen orange and set it for about 50 to 60. I'm going to go with 55. Then head to adjust. Now lower the contrast of the clip into -10 and go to HSL. Here for the orange color, increase the saturation to 20. Then the blue color, saturation 25. Now go back and here go to grabs and use this curve for the red color. Okay, and the blue color, you add 3 dots like this. You can actually adjust it to your clip, but I'm going to go with this. Now you can just go back and you are done. So this will be the result. Let's compare the before. So this is the before and here is the after coloring. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.